Hey everybody, my name is Courtney and today I'm going to talk to you about this cool new device called Fitrus Plus 2.0. So this unique device is super cool because it's pocket-sized, it's compact, and it can even work touch-free. Some of you guys may be a little bit more familiar with scales that track your body mass percentage or devices that you wear that do steps. Well, this one's a little bit more unique because it's portable, pocket-sized, and you can take it with you anywhere. So Fitrus Plus 2.0 tracks things like body composition, but also calories from the food you eat and so much more. So let me show you how Fitrus Plus 2.0 works. So I'm gonna show you guys how to use the Fitrus Plus 2.0. So you're gonna wanna scroll down to this button down here, and first I'm gonna measure body composition. So now on our phones, we're gonna have an instruction to press the power button. The power button is on the bottom of the Fitrus, and as you press this button, make sure your Bluetooth is on to be compatible with your phone. Now that the app has found the Fitrus, you're gonna go ahead and press start as you read out the instructions and make sure that you follow them. This one says stand up, so I'm gonna go ahead and start from standing, and I'm gonna hold out my arms just like it instructs me to do. So I'm gonna go ahead and press start. So when you're done doing the measurements and it's completed to 100%, you can see all these cool things on here like body fat percentage, body fat mass, etc. So from my measurements, I can see where I am compared to other people or the average. The blue part is where I am and the gray part is the average. If I go down, I can see all the percentages and they're pretty precise. If I go back to the home screen, I can see things like calories, steps, and my body composition. If I scroll down, I can see different things like BPM, stress, temperature, my weight, and different goals and missions that you want to do for yourself. These goals and missions are unique to you and individual, so they don't have to be the same for everyone else. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to make your own goals. All you have to do is click on the green goal arrow, and you can see that there's different ways you can customize these goals to yourself. If you wanna start off lower, you can, or if you wanna set yourself for a challenge, you can as well. You can also set goals for body fat percentage, your skeletal weight, and your own weight altogether. This fitness device can be used to check your temperature both directly or indirectly. I know most of us are kind of concerned with indirect temperature checking, so if you put this device close to your forehead or on your wrist, you can check your temperature without having to touch. So to begin, I'm gonna go ahead and press the middle button, and you can either measure an object, the air, or your skin, and I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do skin temperature. You're gonna click, and it's gonna tell you exactly what it wants you to do, so it gets a really precise measurement. And I'm gonna go ahead and press the power button on the device. So beginning with any measurement, you're gonna wanna press the power button on the bottom again. And again, there's only one power button and one button on the whole device, so you're not gonna get confused. You're gonna see two arrows on each side, and that's telling you that it's connecting. So I'm gonna go ahead and place this by my forehead so you can see that it's an indirect measurement and doesn't have to be placed on my forehead to get an accurate measurement. And I'm gonna go ahead and press start on my device. So after you completed your temperature, it goes ahead and shows up on the app what your temperature is. When you're done using it to measure your body temperature, you can actually see it on the device itself and the app. So if you want to see it on the device, go ahead and press the power button on the bottom. There's also this little tiny button on the right side of the device, and you can press it to toggle through the different information and measurements you took. It shows you also the battery percentage, so if you need to charge your device, you can. It shows your body temperature, it shows your BPM, it shows your steps that day, and it also shows things like heart rate. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you also how to do a surface temperature check, and you can use this to measure any object or another device you wanna measure, or just the air that's around you. So to do that, you're gonna go ahead and press on the middle button again, and press this one on the far left. So for this surface measurement, I'm gonna go ahead and measure the air. Keeping it up, I'm gonna go ahead and leave it so it can take the measurement of the air. For this room, it's 79.2 Fahrenheit. So another thing I'm gonna measure and show you is heart rate. It's gonna show up as beats per minute, and the heart icon is what you're gonna press on to do this measurement. You're gonna go ahead and press the heart icon and press measure BPM, turn on your device. For this one, it's gonna be a little bit different, and you're gonna actually use the back of the device to measure. You're gonna go ahead and put your finger on the back of the device. So for my BPM, I got 75, and it also tells you your oxygen. So my oxygen is 97%. For the final measurement for you guys, I'm gonna measure my stress level. So for this measurement, I'm gonna turn it on, the bottom button. I'm gonna go ahead and place my finger on the back again and wait patiently. So this is my result for my stress test. This is kind of cool because it also gives you recommendations. So for me, I have an individual recommendation based on my results. On the bottom, it also has a status for my moods. So I can put anything from angry to happy to surprised. So if you click on the bottom here, this is where you're gonna begin all your measurements. You have BPM, stress, body comp, skin temp, and object temperature or air temperature, depending on what you want to measure. On the top, you have different things like notification, your food. You can also see that there's goals and challenges that you can set for yourself. This app is cool because it also helps motivate you. It'll set notifications for you to help you and make sure that you're setting those goals and you're meeting them. Thank you for watching the video, and thank you to our sponsor, Fitrus Plus 2.0, for sponsoring this video. Be sure to check the link below, and I'll see you guys in the next video.
Many of our subscribers don't see our videos. Make sure that you click the notification bell. And if you haven't already, follow us on social media for tips, tutorials, giveaways, and daily inspiration. Join us for 14 and 30-day programs, hour-long classes, and much more on our yoga app, Yoga Plus by Psychetruth. It's free to download and features a variety of wellness content, including yoga, fitness, Pilates, guided meditations, and interviews with dozens of wellness experts. Start your 14-day free trial today by clicking the link below.